So you want to check out White Island, Antigua Island, and these sick waterfalls in Camiguin. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get to Camiguin Island and what the requirements are. Of course, you can go by plane, but that's the boring way. We're going to do it the fun way and go by boat or ferry. I think they also call it Roro or Roro. But yeah, let's go.
Na dire sir, bigas no?
Oo ka na. Naasa ko pa pinanso na.
Imo vaccination card sir.
Oo, napa din eh. Ano?
Valid ID din sir.
Na siya. Shoutout na sila. Kumusta? Pag-subscribe mo ha? Ha? Ay, check niyo ba?
Sila sir, ipakuan na
7 lang ano sir?
Sige, akong pakita. Akong channel ha?
7. Chenogoes.
Chenogoes. Chenogoes to Camiguin. They know it guys, they know it. So, pag-subscribe mo ka, I'll include this in the video. Sige, salamat kayo. Ayun, malimot. Oh. Ha? Ato ka ba?
Okay na sir.
Okay na. Okay na kayo. Okay. Okay. I don't know why, but there's a lot of fees by boat. 7 pesos at one of the spots there.
Tara sir, thank you.
Salamat. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Salamat kayo. That was a little more stressful than I'd like it to be, but that was, yeah, I guess that was the experience. Lisod pag Bisaya ka tayo ba? Sa English na ba?
Unsa?
Sa English? Sa pan? Tagpila? 30?
30.
Tagpila? Unsa na sa English?
30. 30.
30. Oh. Tama taga Australia.
30.
Okay na? Sabay, sinsilyo na? We're here guys. Salamat kayo. Thank you. So I finally made it to where I'll be staying at here in Camiguin. And if you want to see a room or resort to, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I think that might be the next video. Ano man din eh? Apa na? Thank you kayo. Alright. Okay, I'll read. Open na. Okay, thank you kayo ha.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for having me. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It might be easier to go by plane. There's a lot of requirements going by seaport. But anyway, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.